Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, Fix Coordinator returned one fatal error in Windows. First method is click Start, Settings, click Troubleshoot, click Additional Troubleshooters. Click Run under Windows Store Apps. Second method is right-click Start button, click Task Manager. Click Startup tab. If any application name like Launch.bat, right-click Launch.bat, click Disable. Third method is type Control Panel in Windows search bar. Click Control Panel. Click Programs and Features. Select Zoom, click Uninstall. Click Start button. Click Microsoft Store. Click Apps, type Zoom in search bar. Click Install. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.